Are you a beginner looking for the perfect credit card, but feeling lost in a sea of options? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to our guide on the best credit cards for beginners. Choosing your first credit card can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. We've researched and handpicked the top choices for beginners based on benefits, ease of use, and rewards. So without further ado, let's dive into some fantastic options tailored for beginners, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. 1. Discover It Secured Credit Card. The Discover It Secured Credit Card stands out as a valuable option for individuals seeking to establish or enhance their credit history. Notably, this card waives the annual fee, making it an economical choice for those looking to manage their credit responsibly. Its rewards program is another highlight, featuring a 2% cash back on purchases made at restaurants and gas stations, up to the initial $1,000 spent. Moreover, users receive an unlimited 1% cash back on all other transactions. What adds immense appeal to this card is the promotional offer. Discover matches the cash back earned in the first year, effectively doubling the rewards, which can significantly boost savings. Additionally, Discover offers free access to a cardholder's FICO score, providing a valuable opportunity for users to track their credit score's progression over time. This feature is instrumental in offering insights for credit enhancement and financial management. The Discover It Secured Credit Card not only provides a cost-effective solution through the absence of an annual fee, but also offers a generous cashback program with a unique matching bonus in the first year. The added benefit of monitoring one's FICO score for free on the Discover platform underscores the card's commitment to supporting users in their journey towards better credit health and financial well-being. Paddle 2 Visa Card. The Paddle 2 Visa Card revolutionizes the assessment of creditworthiness by stepping away from the conventional reliance on credit scores. Instead, this innovative card delves into an individual's banking history using the cash score mechanism. This unique approach evaluates a user's financial behavior, spending patterns, and banking activities to determine their creditworthiness. By analyzing these comprehensive factors, Paddle aims to offer better credit lines and potentially improved rates to its users. This emphasis on a holistic evaluation method sets the Paddle 2 Visa Card apart, reflecting a forward-thinking strategy in the credit industry. What distinguishes the Paddle 2 Visa Card further is its fee structure, which resonates with a wide spectrum of consumers. Free from annual fees, international fees, late fees, and returned payment fees, the card ensures a transparent and cost-effective user experience. The absence of these common charges that often burden credit card users marks a significant advantage, aligning with the card's commitment to offering a hassle-free financial tool for individuals seeking simplicity and affordability in managing their finances. In essence, the Paddle 2 Visa Card introduces a novel paradigm in assessing creditworthiness while ensuring a fee structure that provides users with financial ease and transparency. By placing emphasis on banking history and offering a fee structure devoid of several standard charges, this card presents an innovative and consumer-centric approach that resonates with those seeking a straightforward and cost-effective credit card experience. 3. Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card stands as an attractive option for individuals seeking a credit card that combines significant cashback rewards with a beneficial introductory 0% interest period. Notably, this card carries no annual fee, making it a cost-effective choice for those looking to manage their expenses without incurring additional costs. The standout feature of this card is its unlimited 2% cash back on all purchases, offering users a consistent and rewarding cashback experience across various spending categories. Moreover, the card presents an appealing opportunity for new cardholders to earn a $200 bonus by meeting the specified minimum spending requirements. This welcome bonus adds considerable value to the card right from the outset, making it an attractive proposition for individuals looking for immediate rewards as they commence their card usage. The combination of the ongoing 2% cash back on all purchases and the initial bonus establishes the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card as a robust contender in the credit card market. Its absence of an annual fee, coupled with these attractive rewards, positions it as a favorable option for those seeking both immediate benefits and sustained cashback rewards in the long term. 4. Chase Freedom Flex Credit Card. The Chase Freedom Flex credit card remains a prominent player in the competitive landscape of credit cards. Notably, it offers a lucrative $200 bonus to users who spend $500 on purchases within the initial 3 months, providing an immediate incentive for new cardholders. However, the card's allure extends beyond this initial perk. What distinguishes the Chase Freedom Flex card is its versatile cashback structure, catering to diverse spending categories. Cardholders enjoy 5% cash back on grocery store purchases, applicable to the first $12,000 spent in the initial year, a significant benefit for everyday necessities. Additionally, the card provides 5% back on bonus categories, 5% back on travel booked through the Ultimate Rewards portal, 3% back at restaurants and dining, and 3% back at drugstores. Even on all other purchases, users earn a respectable 1% cash back. The absence of an annual fee further enhances the card's appeal. This array of rewards, coupled with no additional costs, positions the Chase Freedom Flex credit card as an attractive choice for consumers seeking a variety of reward categories without the burden of added fees. Its comprehensive reward system caters to various spending habits, making it a well-rounded option for users looking to maximize benefits across their purchases.